Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is just the process of me making a red strapless corset dress with a train. It's a collaboration between I and my friend Olivia, and her handle is in the description box below. So I'm going to start with the draping, and as you all know, I really love draping, and I'm just draping a 6-panel corset with a plunging neckline on the dress form. So whatever I do here, I'm just going to copy that on paper and use my client's measurements to adjust it. And the fabrics I'm using for this are like the lace fabric, of course, and then I'm going to use like a nude fabric that was matched on the client's skin tone, just to give that illusion of the skin tone, you know, just to look like the lace is like literally on the skin. So I'm just going to cut the corset and the skirt, the inner mini skirt, in this nude fabric. And then for my lace fabric, I am going to cut a mermaid skirt. So I am sewing my corset together here, and I have ironed a fusible or an interface fabric just to give it the structure. And I also like to bone my corset from the inside because I really don't like the stitches showing on the outside. I just want everything clean. Here I am just cutting the mermaid skirt, the front and the back. You have to make sure you always have the placements right when cutting lace. I'm sewing my skirt, and what I'm going to do is sew the corset and the skirt together so we have a dress. At this point, we had a fitting and made sure to do the placements on her body, just to be sure of everything, just to make sure everything sits in the right place. Then I'm just using my soldering iron here to cut out the lace. Here's Olivia cutting some lace. And here is like what we've sewn together, what I sewed together, and the lace is going to be placed exactly how it was placed on her body. After the placement comes the hand sewing, and sometimes this process takes like hours or days actually, yeah, but it's worth it. So for my closure, for the corset closure, I am using a loop closure. That's like corset back closure, just to cinch the waist. You know, this closure is like, it's, I prefer it. I mean, I like it because it's controllable. Then I'm just adding my train here, sewing the train together, sewing the train on the skirt, I mean. And for the hem, I'm just going to sew some horsehair and then hand stitch it, just to have that clean, roughly finishing around the edges or around the hem. Then the lining, of course. So with the lining, I sewed it exactly how I sewed the outer part of the dress, and then just like turn it inside out. And yeah, after the lining comes the zipper. So basically like this, just like the finishing of the dress. And we actually added feathers at the end because the dress was a bit basic and we just wanted a drama. So like feathers were added on the dress. Sewing my zipper onto the skirt. And feathers. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. There's more videos to come.